How to get your first wholesale deal with absolutely no money. Guys, it's Rick again. In this video, I'm going to break down what you need to do right now, like laser focused, to work on getting your first wholesale deal, because that's got to be your goal. And I'm going to show you what's changed to where it's in your advantage going into 2026 so you can lock up that first deal. But before I get into it, do me that favor. Make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants to find the truth out about wholesaling. So here's the good news. I've been wholesaling for going on my 24th year, and wholesaling's always worked. There's no timing of a wholesale market. And the reason why I'm pointing this out to you is you're probably watching this video. I know you watch a lot of other people, and I'm fine with it. I think there's wonderful educators out there in the wholesale space. But the reality is, why do so many people teach real estate wholesaling and then they leave, and then they come back, and then they leave? I've been sitting in this space for 24 years. Some go off to coach the coaches. Some go off to do, I don't know, different types of techniques of real estate investing. Remember, wholesaling is the fundamental core of getting started in real estate investing with no money. So if you're looking to use no money, this is the right place. Here's the really cool part is, you know, people talk about you have a buyer's market and a seller's market. Well, when it comes to wholesale information, here's the good news is the guru market, it's gone. That's when gurus can sell endlessly to you guys on all these different techniques. You know exactly what I'm talking about. I'm going to show you how to do a wholesale deal on MLS. Don't touch that. You're wasting your time. It doesn't work. That's why all the courses have failed. Number two, I'm going to show you how to use PPC and you can get all the leads you want. No. You're going to have to use a service. They're going to drain your bank account and it's not going to work. Once again, you're not in charge of marketing. It's not going to work. But wait a minute. I found this company. It's called PPL. You mean pay per lawsuit? Because that's what it is. They don't derive their own leads. They're selling you leads that you have no idea who else bought it. You have no verification that it's your own exclusive lead. And honestly, you're probably breaking so many TCPA laws. Yeah, you can get sued on a PPL. And guys, listen, stop all that stuff. It is a major distraction. It doesn't work. And you have to go back and learn how to do marketing yourself. How do you think I've survived wholesaling for 24 years? I would never leave my marketing up to a third party. I'm okay getting information from third parties once you've mastered marketing, but in the beginning, it is a ploy to part you from your money, your checkbook. And why would this be any different in wholesaling? So instead of being in a guru market to sell you endless information about techniques that don't work in wholesaling, never were meant for wholesaling, and they're pure distractions, I call them speculation. This is why they're all leaving. Because if you had to go and do the real work and really dig and find fundamental deals off market, direct to seller that needs to sell, you couldn't sell any of that crap. And I'm a marathon wholesaler, 24 years. I've watched so many people come in and out of wholesaling. It's crazy. You are now in the wholesalers market where there's never been more information available to you for free. A lot of these speculation distractions have all gone the way. Look at the reviews on the course. They're pretty much just, they don't work. I tried it for 6 months. It was an exciting idea. You got pitched marketing. And the fundamentals, if you understand how all that works, marketing is the number one skill set you need to be as a wholesaler. And if you don't believe me, take the gurus that have sold you all these courses because you've been duped out. Now, I'm sure the courses work, but they only work in a small smidget of a real estate market. If you do wholesaling correct, it works every year. I've been in the best markets. I've been in the absolute worst markets. As long as you stick to fundamentals of wholesaling, you will survive. See, here's the differences. I'm a marathon wholesaler, 24 years. All these other people come in, they want to look good. A lot of people who even sold you these products like PPL, PPC, they've never even done a real estate deal, at least a wholesale deal. So they're just trying to fill a void in the market, and I don't blame them for it. But the reality is they're making so much money that it's now being revealed. And I want you to understand, if you're in charge of your own marketing, you don't have to fall for these ploys. So let's get you direction on how to get a deal in 2026 with absolutely no money in your pocket. Look no further than going to freewholesaling.com. It's really not complicated. I will show you how to pull government list. I won't ask you for your credit card, and I will give you the most up-to-date information in 2026 so you can have success. You see, wholesaling works in all markets. The only question is, will you put in the effort and the work? If you do, you tell yourself the truth, it's almost impossible to fail at wholesaling. But a lot of people coming in based on, I'm going to buy stuff off of MLS, I'm just going to buy PPL leads, and I'm going to do PPC. Not wholesaling, guys. It's a pipe dream. And if I thought it was so good, I would align with all these companies and do it. I've actually even tried it out. You guys know what the result is. It's just, do they have wins in there? Yes. Can you build a business on it? No. This is why you will never get what a return on investment is in any of those categories I just told you, because you are not finding people who need to sell a house. You're just finding people who want to sell the house. And 9 times out of 10, they'll just waste your time and frustrate you and make you quit wholesaling. But I know you're not a quitter. So let's keep going on. How can we do this? After I go to freewholesaling.com, I want you to focus on basically 3 types of lists. Why? Because I got to get you your first deal. And we don't have time for all the smoke and mirrors. And if you want to feel good, pay someone a couple $1,000s for this dream course of buying stuff on MLS, go for it. It's an absolute nightmare in my opinion. Doesn't mean you can't get deals off MLS, but as a rookie, as a newbie in wholesaling, I think it's the hardest way to absolutely get started. Those are all with realtors that want full price, won't let you assign the contract, want big EMDs, and you're going to try to ask for a 30-40% discount. Good luck with that. I just think there's easier ways to do this business. So specifically, I want you to pull your code violation list. This list has been around forever. You can get them at your county or your city level and get the list. Listen, you're going to get issues asking for the list. Go over to freewholesaling.com. I'll teach you how to overcome resistance with persistence. Let the government point you in the way. And these lists shouldn't cost you any money. And that's why I'm pointing them out to you. And whoever can get to that lead first, I know you don't have money for an X leads account. You can just old school and I want to show you how to knock on the door and do whatever you got to do. The other list you want to get is the tax delinquency list. I mean, guys, when people stop paying their property taxes and they're 2 years behind, the statistical odds that that property needs to be sold are extremely high, 80% plus. These people need help from people like you and me as a wholesaler, because if they don't do something, they're going to lose their house. They actually auction these houses off and you don't pay your property taxes. As crazy as that sounds, even if they own the house clear and free with no mortgage, that property still gets auctioned off. So you're doing these people a favor. Sometimes people don't notice that. And a lot of times on the tax delinquency, these people will bury their head in the sand. You're going to have to learn to be resourceful and figure out how to connect with them. So what I would do is take your tax delinquency and your code violations, and we teach a method. You can learn it over at freewholesaling.com called reverse driving for dollars. You're going to drive around and put a sticky notes on their houses. Why? Because that's how you get the best response. It dominates cold calling. It's better than a text. You can do all those platforms and tie it in together, but a sticky note saying, hey, I just have a question, and your virtual phone number and your name, and you'll get a call back. It's up to you to connect with them to see if they have interest in selling the house, and then you help them solve their problem. The more leads you got, the better you'll do. Now, this works for code violations, tax delinquency, and if you find there's a property on both lists, your odds go up exponentially. So I'm going to use the technique reverse driving for dollars and do that. The other one is, guys, go pull your probates. You can't find a more motivated lead than a probate. Now, this is when somebody passes away. You look up who the PR is, the personal representative or the executor, and this person has the same decision making as the person that's passed away. Most likely, these properties are vacant. They have deferred maintenance, and people just want to get rid of them. They don't want to keep paying the bills on it and everything like that. And I love probates. The problem with probates is there's not a ton of leads. So you can do multiple counties. You can pull them online. You can go in your local probate county courthouse. And my greatest deals have always come from probates. And you're going, well, Rick, I'm brand new. I can't do probates. Honestly, they are very forgiving for a new wholesaler. Work with your title company, maybe pair up. You can JV with me and Zach, and we'll walk you through the process. It's really not that complicated. It's just a legal process. You go to transfer the deed from someone who's deceased to the new party. And it's up to the PR to decide how they're going to do that. We teach you how to get to them quickly so you can get in front of them. And if they want to work with you and they like you and you earn their trust, they go, you know, I like you. I want to sell you this property. Most of them know they're going to sell it at a discount because they don't want to deal with it. They don't want to pay the mortgage. They don't want to keep the utilities up. They don't want to pay the insurance. And for that reason, I find a lot of those. Not every one of them, but for the most part. Guys, you do one of those, it's like doing almost 4 assignment of contracts. You just need to find 1 or 2 a month. So please, guys, do not skip the probates. They're phenomenal. And here's a little tip. If you get a probate that's on the code violation list that has a tax delinquency, do whatever you have to do to get a hold of that seller, meaning that PR. Guys, these are fundamental lists. They're never going to change. And I'm just trying to get you to your first wholesale deal. And stop buying all like these crazy techniques to do it. If you're going to outsource your marketing, I promise you, you're not going to make a lot of money in wholesaling. It's just the truth. In fact, if you just buy leads from other people, you're basically just a cash buyer. And most of you got in this because you don't have any money. You need to find great deals that you can assign easily to cash buyers so you can generate some income for you. Maybe you need to pay your rent. Maybe you need to pay the mortgage. Maybe you just need to put food on the table. I was desperate for money when I started wholesaling, and it solved my problem. And then as you grow, you can do more net worth building techniques in wholesaling, keep some of the properties, turn them into rentals. But sometimes you got to find great deals to turn them into cash. Marginal deals and overpaying for deals is the fastest way to get kicked out of wholesaling. Now, the other technique, if you have the luxury and you're in a local market, just driving for dollars. And every one of the probates I mentioned, the tax delinquencies, the code violations, driving for dollars, you'll find them all. And what I like about driving for dollars is it's your own private list. It's exclusive to anyone else. And you can do a little bit more deep digging on a property. Maybe it's got overgrown grass. Maybe it's got boarded up windows. Keep in mind, you're going to have to dig harder than your average wholesaler because most people go, oh, I can't find the owner, I'm moving on. Those are my favorite deals. Oh my God, please bring me those deals because the more you have to solve a problem, the more money you're going to make because that's how the game is played in wholesaling. And you've got to go out and find problems. So run into them. Go to freewholesaling.com, learn how to pull a tax delinquency list, learn how to pull the code violations. For God's sakes, get started on your probates. I'm giving you the core information to find a great wholesale deal because I've been doing this 24 years and almost all my great deals has one of those three things involved: tax delinquency, code violation, and a probate. Notice I didn't say pre-foreclosure. It's still a good lead source. I just don't think it's the best. Here's the truth on pre-foreclosures. A lot of them have no equity in them. And if there's no equity, there's no deal to be made, especially in a downward market. So I want you to kind of avoid those for right now and concentrate on those. Now, I would be remiss if I didn't tell you what not to do either. And I'm just going to go through a quick blow through because if you want to get a deal with no money, the techniques I'm going to mention, not only are they not really wholesaling, it'll be the fastest way to drive you out of the wholesaling business. Number one, searching MLS endlessly to try to work with a realtor to try to sell you a wholesale deal on a property that's listed for retail. Why on earth would we do that? It makes no sense. Please don't waste your time as a newbie, especially if you have no money. It's like a Hatfield-McCoy thing. You're never going to win this battle. And honestly, it's going to frustrate you. Number two, PPC. Guys, this is a big boy league and it costs a lot of money to run a PPC campaign. Every time somebody clicks a keyword like sell my house fast, it could cost you 40, 50 bucks a clip in a major metropolitan market. Don't do it. Number one, you don't have the experience. Number two, you're going to be taking advantage of the market. Number three, you don't have any money. So this is a mute point, which leads me to the next one. You probably heard of PPL, paper lead, paper lawsuit. Don't do it. Why? Number one, you don't have any money. Number two, these are usually tired and old leads that are brokered to you by third-party companies that really don't wholesale, and they sell the same leads over and over and over. That's why they seem like they're so cheap, but the reality is they're making a ton of money. And if you guys keep buying this crap, you understand it is not wholesaling. You are nothing more than a cash buyer. And honestly, if you're a wholesaler that's broke, that has no money, you can't afford to be a cash buyer. You have to find deep discounted deals and sell them to people that will pay you cash and leave money in it for them because they are buying the opportunity. If you don't create an opportunity, why on earth would they pay you? So I find PPL, PPC, and MLS, these three are mostly a waste of time for a new beginner wholesaler. I'm not saying you can't get a deal from it, but your statistical odds from getting it, probably 1 in 1,000. Why? Because I don't got 20,000 to drop on PPC. I don't have 10 grand to drop on PPL. And honestly, I don't have any money to give to a realtor for an EMD, a deposit. And if I can't sign the contract, how the heck am I ever going to fund it? See what I'm saying? So let's stick to the core fundamentals that work in wholesaling. And honestly, you just need to get one deal under contract. I got to get you momentum. But the key is make sure you point your wholesale compass to off-market deals direct to seller that need to sell. ODN. Because if you don't, you're going to go with on-market properties. You're going to deal with a realtor that's not direct to the seller. And you're going to deal with people who want to sell their property. And honestly, they will do nothing but waste your time and drive you out of the wholesaling arena. So guys, I know this is a simple video, but I want you to understand this is how wholesaling works. And if you keep trying to do all the techniques to avoid doing the fundamentals of wholesaling, you won't survive as a wholesaler. I've been doing this 24 years. If you want to learn how to be a marathon wholesaler, stick to the fundamentals. If you want to be a sprinter, you want to look good for a short while, keep doing all the crap that I just mentioned in this video that's not going to make you any money. Not saying you can't get a deal from it, but you're not going to be able to make a full-time business out of wholesaling by doing things that distract you that have nothing to do with wholesaling. So guys, ODN, off-market, direct to seller, needs to sell. Go to these core lists. You can learn them over at freewholesaling.com. Make sure you jump over there. And if you got value from this video, do me a favor, make sure you smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, and share this video with someone who wants the truth about wholesaling. Guys, I've been in wholesaling for 24 years. It's just, I really do love this business and I will do everything to promote wholesaling. I believe that it's done responsibly and you help people out and you solve problems. You too should make a ton of money while doing it. You are no different than me. I believe in you. Focus your mind, get to the fundamentals in wholesaling and get started right now. There is no excuse. It is up to you. Take accountability, take action. That's Rick in. I'll see you in the next video. Later.